Hi, this is Yatish Kumar and we are going to talk about computational neuroscience. Let me introduce myself to you guys. So my name is Yatish Kumar and I have completed my masters in psychology, and from last 1 year I'm teaching psychology to students for UGC NET, JRF, GATE, and I have cleared my JRF during my masters and GATE 2, GATE as well. And 2 महीने पहले I want to explore this new field, computational neuroscience, and I experienced that not a lot of Indian scientists and researchers are talking about this field. So the first question you should be asking, what is computational neuroscience? Computational neuroscience से आप क्या समझते हो? So imagine कीजिए you want to understand a very complex, a complicated toy without taking it apart. आप उसको खोल के नहीं देखना चाह रहे, ठीक है, फिजिकली नहीं खोल के देखना चाह रहे, बट यू वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट टॉय, एंड दैट टॉय लाइक आवर ब्रेन इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो वट विल यू डू? सो वी कैन मेक ए डिजिटल कॉपी of that toy, like a digital model, a 3D model, and we can understand that toy with the help of that model. In our case, that is brain. Okay, so what is a model? एक मॉडल एक सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन होता है किसी भी चीज़ का. ओके, सो एक कंप्यूटेशनल मॉडल इज ए सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन ऑफ समथिंग इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. इट्स लाइक ए ब्रेन फंक्शन दैट वी बिल्ट यूजिंग मैथ एंड computer code. So coding come really handy if you want to work in computational neuroscience field or in this field. So what kind of coding language you should be knowing? Like Python is the language that we use, and there is another language that we called, it's a program actually. MATLAB, that is short for Matrix Laboratory, and we are going to utilize this program to understand and having practical knowledge and to understand computational neuroscience. Now, where were we? We were understanding what is a model. So as I have told you, a model is a simplified version of something. Okay, so with the help of maths we can create a simplified version of our brain. We will explore this later. Let's try to understand what this field is all about. So at its core, computational neuroscience is the field that uses mathematics. Yes, we utilize mathematical and computational tool to understand how our nervous system works. Okay, so in order to do that, first of all you need to understand about nervous system. Okay, so neuroscience come really handy. You need to understand how a person behave, and so you need to have information about psychology, and you need to know about mathematics, how you can use mathematical applications to understand or make a model. Don't worry, you will do it. It's not that hard. If you don't, I wouldn't say it's not hard, it is hard, but it's not impossible. Okay, now let's continue. It's about building theoretical models of the brain to explain, predict, and ultimately understand biological and psychological phenomena. Okay, now computational or theoretical neuroscience uses a distinct technique and asks specific questions aimed at advancing our understanding of the nervous system. A brief definition might be, now this is the definition of computational neuroscience. It is the theoretical study of the brain used to uncover the principles and mechanisms that guide the development, organization, information processing and mental abilities of the nervous system. Okay, for example, मान लीजिए हमारा ब्रेन एक बहुत ही इनक्रेडिबल कॉम्प्लेक्स कंप्यूटर की तरह. ओके, नाउ कंप्यूटेशनल न्यूरोसाइंस क्या करती है कि हम उस ब्रेन को रिवर्स में बिल्ड करते हैं. ओके, हम अपने ब्रेन को रिवर्स में बिल्ड करते हैं. लाइक वी डोंट, इट्स रियली हार्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड brain as a whole. Okay, so we can break its constitutional parts, and like how have two neurons functions, or we can build model of a particular neuron or a particular connection. Okay, so computational neuroscience is the reverse engineering of this computer. Instead of just observing its output, the behavior, or its hardware, the neurons, we try to figure out the software, okay, the algorithm and computations that make it all work. Okay, so we know that our brain make loads of computation, it utilize lot of computation before the behavior. Okay, अनकॉन्शियस इन्फ्लुएंसेस बोला है इन्हीं कंप्यूटेशंस को हरमन वॉन हेल्महोल्ट्ज ने. ओके, नाउ what is a model? Think of it as answering questions like how do we recognize a face so quickly? Okay, how does the brain make a decision when faced with uncertainty? Now, to answer these questions, computational neuroscientists build models. Okay, a model is a simplified version of something we have already talked about. So, a model in a computational neuroscience is a mathematical or computer-based framework designed to capture and predict how neural systems work rather than just describing them. These models are tested and refined to help us understand and even anticipate brain functions and behavior. These models are not just descriptive, okay, they are predictive. We predict what will happen. They can be tested by comparing their predictions to experimental data from real brains. So if अगर हमारी जो prediction है वो real सिनेरियो को एग्जैक्टली एक्सप्लेन कर रही है, समवट एक्सप्लेन कर रही है, सो वी कैन से दैट कि हमारा मॉडल बहुत ही सही है, एग्जैक्टली एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है चीज़ों को. ठीक है, सो इफ ए मॉडल एक्यूरेटली प्रिडिक्ट व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन यू चेंज ए सर्टेन पैरामीटर. ओके, आप अपने मॉडल के अंदर चेंजेस कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ए कनेक्शंस बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स, आप उस स्ट्रेंथ को वीक कर सकते हो और हाई कर सकते हो. ओके, बढ़ा सकते हो. कैंडिडेट फॉर हाउ द ब्रेन एक्चुअली वर्क. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट कि हमारा मॉडल बहुत ही अच्छा है और हम एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहे हैं इन चीज़ों को. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन साइकोलॉजी, बायोलॉजी एंड कंप्यूटेशन. ओके, कंप्यूटेशनल न्यूरोसाइंस इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी फील्ड है. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड और टू बिकम ए कंप्यूटेशनल न्यूरोसाइंटिस्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड न्यूरोसाइंस, साइकोलॉजी एंड मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, हम चीज़ें समझ जाएंगे जैसे जैसे हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जैसे जैसे हम फर्दर इन डेप्थ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इस फील्ड को, चीज़ें हमें समझ में आ जाएंगी. ओके, सो ए कंप्यूटेशनल न्यूरोसाइंटिस्ट मस्ट नो अबाउट साइकोलॉजी, अबाउट बायोलॉजी एंड मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, these are the fields that we are going to explore in detail. So a computational neuroscientist work like this person. Okay, understanding mathematical part, biological part and psychological part, and these three fields are in a continuous feedback loop. Okay, so let's explore the real world examples and applications of computational neuroscience. So our first example can be brain computer interface or BCIs. Here we can build models that are used to decode brain signals. Okay, for example from an EEG or implanted electrode and translate them into commands for external device. Okay, for example a model can be trained to recognize the neural patterns associated with the intent to move a robotic arm. Okay, this has allowed people with paralysis to control a computer cursor or prosthetic limb, जिनके limbs, they have lost their limbs and they can control a computer cursor. Okay, so this is an amazing application of computational neuroscience that we can utilize. Next, understanding brain disorders. With the help of computational neuroscience we can understand brain disorders like epilepsy, Parkinson's and schizophrenia. Apart from that, artificial intelligence and machine learning is the another area that is really related to computational neuroscience. Okay, so after learning this field you can further explore artificial intelligence and machine learning. Many of the most successful AI techniques like deep learning, okay, are inspired by the architecture of the brain. The field of computational neuroscience provides insight into how the brain learns and processes information. So now we have understood the applications and real world examples of computational neuroscience. These were some specific examples. There are thousands of areas you can work in this field. Okay, you can understand behavior and you can do research. Okay, Now, what is MATLAB? So MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory. It is a high performance language. Now हाई लैंग्वेज बेसिकली क्या होती है? इट इज़ लाइक एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जो हम कोडिंग करते हैं, ओके, एंड इट विल कन्वर्ट आवर लैंग्वेज टू लो लेवल लैंग्वेज, जिसको एक कंप्यूटर समझता है, ओके. सो इट इज़ ए हाई परफॉर्मेंस लैंग्वेज फॉर टेक्निकल कंप्यूटिंग. सो या दिस इज़ इट फॉर टुडे एंड वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस व्हाट इज़ कंप्यूटेशनल न्यूरोसाइंस. हमने इस फील्ड का एक बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन ले लिया है और हम क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे इस फील्ड के अंदर. एंड या थैंक यू वेरी मच.